everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I hope everybody doing well. Things are getting back to normal. Today I'm planning to make a Hyderabadi style beef pasanday. It's a very famous and very delicious dish. My mother used to make all the time and I like so much that dish, so I'm going to try to make it this dish today. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for the beef pasanday, I have around 2 pounds of sliced beef. It's not so thin, not so thick. I cut a little smaller pieces because I don't like too much big pieces also. So you can ask your butcher to cut that for you. And I choose to have a little bit of fatty part of the beef. It's a lean, but plus you have a marble fat in between layers. So it's very nice and very tasty meat side. So we're gonna marinate first. So I'm gonna add salt, about 1.5 teaspoon. You can use according to your taste. And also I have some chili pepper flex and plus chili powder, 1 teaspoon of each. I'm gonna add it to that. And also I have a turmeric, about 1 teaspoon. Also added there. And I have a yogurt, about half a cup of yogurt. We're gonna mix all this together. And also I'm gonna add some ginger garlic paste, about 1 tablespoon. And I have a fresh coriander and mint leaf. I'm gonna add it to the mix. It's roughly cut. You're gonna have to be chop it or fine chop. It's just rough. I just pick through the leaf and then wash it. So we're gonna mix all of these ingredients nice and smooth. It's best way to, if you marinate overnight. Leave it for overnight to tenderize the meat, and or you can use a little bit of raw papaya paste. You can add it 1 tablespoon of that, and if you want, and leave it for a couple of hours. So now I'm gonna add some lemon juice, about a couple of teaspoons. So it's all marinade. So I'm gonna leave it in the fridge. So I'm going to cook it today, so I'm keeping for a couple of hours in the fridge. So while our beef are resting in the fridge, so we're gonna fry some coconut. We're gonna roast it off. Some coconut. It's just a simple flex. Some cashew. It's your choice. Most of the time people use almond for that recipe, but I'm using, I have lots of cashew. I like cashew flavor, so I'm gonna add some cashew instead of using almond. So we're gonna roast it up all. And finally we're gonna do some poppy seed, hush hush. So about 2 tablespoons of cashew and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of slices of coconut, dry coconut, and 1.5 tablespoon of poppy seed. So now we're gonna blend our roasted coconut and cashew and our poppy seed. We're gonna add it to the blender. And also I have onion, which is I earlier lightly sauté, not so color brown. It's just like transparent. When it become transparent, just pull it out. So I'm gonna add it to. It's about half an onion, one large onion, half. I slice it. I'm gonna add it to our mix. And also half of the onion I roasted off, crispy fried. We're gonna mix it in the end of the cooking. So I'm gonna keep on the side for later. So I'm gonna add a little bit of water, about 3 tablespoons worth of water, and we're gonna blend it. Look like this, just like a paste. So it's been almost 3 hours, so I'm gonna start cooking my Hyderabadi style beef pasanda. So I'm gonna add a 3/4 cup of oil. I'm gonna heat up the oil first. So our oil is nice and hot, so I'm gonna add slices of beef. So our beef is nicely cooking. So good thing is we don't need to add any additional water in this because it's marinated in the yogurt, so it releases lots of water. So I'm gonna let it cook in the same water. So we're gonna reduce the heat and we're gonna cook until be tender. So I'm gonna cover the lid. So our beef is nice and dry now. So it took me 45 minutes on a low heat. Now meat is nicely and tender. So now I'm gonna add our mix, cashew, onion and poppy seed mix. I'm gonna add to the Pasanday. Mix everything. And it's so yummy. Oh my god. So we're gonna cook until all the nuts and poppy seed, everything cooked nice, mingled together. So our beef almost ready. Beef pasanda, look amazing. Nice and colorful. Now I'm gonna add last ingredient, the brown onion, which is we saved. So we're gonna mix everything. Give a little cut crunch to the dish. So our beef pasanda is ready. So I'm now oil. You can see this oil is coming up now. So I'm gonna do some presentation. I'm gonna add a little bit of coriander. Give a little color to it. So guys, our beef pasanda is looking amazing. You can serve with the rice, plain rice, just a plain rice, or you can serve with the naan. So I'm gonna do some presentation. Put some fresh cilantro, some chili, look amazing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, looked delicious actually. I love it. Please do try this recipe. It's quick and easy to make. Just marinate day before and then you're good to go. Please follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our videos, consider subscribing our channel. And I will be back pretty soon with another exciting video. Take care of yourself. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.